Hey guys, so this is my study room, and the door lock here, it got put into the lock mode and it won't unlock. Okay, even if I insert something in here, it won't unlock. So my wife says she wants to actually give it a shot, so let's see how it goes. By the way, my son sprayed some bleach sanitizer on door handles, and that started this corrosion.
Oh my god! Blah 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 blah. Here. I think this. I think this. Oh, my Lady Gaga. Da 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 da. Da da da. Huh? Wait, wait, wait. Ha 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 ha.
This needs to come through that hole. Other side. Screw needs to go there. So
Yeah.
you need to put this through that hole.
Oh. Oh. One. Da-da-da-da! Perfect.
Okay, finished. 15 minutes.